There's one specific trading strategy that's blown up recently. You see it all over YouTube, you see it all over social media, Discord servers. You've got people who have created followings based off of trading the strategy that somebody else created. Some call it elite, some will say it's the secret to trading like the institutions, and others think it's just some overhyped theory that just so happens to have a cult following. But here's what people are missing. That specific strategy is not what is going to make or break your trading. In the world of trading, it's very easy to think that the more advanced the strategy, the more complex, the more moving pieces, the more successful it will be, because trading is not easy, and so a simple strategy just can't work. Smart money concepts, market maker models, internal liquidity structures, fair value gaps, all of these phrases, these words, these terminologies, all of these things, they sound powerful, don't they? But the problem that I found is that it just creates this illusion. The illusion that complexity equals consistency. And that's where a lot of traders are getting stuck. They become obsessed with mastering a system instead of focusing on and mastering themselves. Okay, so why does a strategy itself not actually work? Why does a strategy lose money, but for some people that same strategy could make them money? You could literally follow a strategy that has been back tested for 10 years, has an 80% win rate, and still lose money. It's why you see a lot of people who follow trade signals or who jump into alert service groups and they still lose money, despite the person maybe giving out those signals or those alerts actually becoming or being successful, still had been successful at one point, still is successful and is still making money, yet the majority of the people in the group are not. So I thought to myself, well, why is that the case? And it's because trading is more than just buying and selling. It's more than just clicking a button. It's more than just where you enter, where you exit. It's how you think, how you manage risk, and how you adapt over time. Everyone always likes to talk about, oh, I've overcome adversity, especially in sports. Like I hate it. I'll be honest with you, I hate it. Like it's adversity this, adversity that. But in reality, everyone has their own levels or their own aspects of adversity that they have to overcome and they have to deal with. Whether it's in trading, whether it's in your personal life, whether it's wherever, it all can bleed into how you think and then how you act and the decisions that you make subconsciously. It's why I believe that the same exact strategy on two different hands will produce different results, because ultimately the trader is the system. Now, there's something in particular that I've noticed about the specific trading strategy or concepts that I hinted at the beginning. Before I get to that, I do want to thank the sponsor of today's video, Iron Beam.
Welcome to Iron Beam, the future of futures trading. With our cutting-edge chart trading feature and 300+ indicators, you can now trade directly off the chart anytime, anywhere. Delivering seamless trading across all platforms, the Iron Beam journey is supported by 24-hour trader support, low day trade margins, and no account minimums. Iron Beam brings the future into the present. Join now and augment your trading experience.
So when I look at this particular strategy, and yes, I am talking about ICT, what stands out to me is not the rules, it's not the terminology, it's the reaction that people have to it. For some people, it just clicks and they become disciples. They become these ICT disciples, and now they go and spread the word of ICT and how it changed their lives, and they become these ICT gurus that go on to create their own groups, their own courses, and their own services throughout that. But for many, many others, and the vast majority, it just becomes another failed chapter in their book of trading. Now, to me, that says a lot, and it's not about the strategy. It's about the people trading the strategy. Here's the truth. Any trading strategy can work. Whether you trade ICT, whether I trade breakouts, whether you trade trend lines, whether you trade these indicators versus these indicators, it doesn't really matter. The real edge is the consistency in how you apply the strategy, adapt it to changing market conditions, and understand yourself and how you operate the strategy. The best traders, from what I have seen in my experience, don't obsess over the perfect entry points. They don't obsess over these specific terminologies. They obsess over the data. They study themselves, they study the markets, and they study how tweaks that they make in their trading strategies impact their bottom line. They ultimately make the best decisions for them, their trading strategies, and how they see the markets. So yeah, a trading strategy with a cult following, it's not magic. It's just one lens. And like any lens, It's ultimately how you use it that matters more than what the lens promises. My best recommendation is not to get stuck strategy hopping. Pick a framework, log your trades, track your decisions, and build your edge over time. If you're not doing that and you're not profitable, then nothing is going to change until you finally make that decision to do it yourself. Let me know in the comments what strategies you've been sucked into in the past and what actually has helped you improve in your own trading. If you're looking for a video diving deeper into trading psychology, I'll pop one up on the screen right here. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.